And welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have a new video, and today we're gonna play Adopt Me, and we're gonna show you the secret center in Adopt Me, and we're gonna show you the secret egg. I know some of you really know this egg and really like this egg, and I still didn't get it, but we're just gonna make this video really getting cool. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. So yeah. So first thing, we're gonna play Adopt Me. We're gonna be a baby, and okay, thank you for everything. Now I'm claim, and we're gonna close. I don't know what pick happened, but it's lagging on me for now until it's installed. So until it's installing, I'm gonna close the video. Okay, guys, now we're in the adoption center or the pet adoption center. So as you know, here we have the Aussie egg. They changed it from the farm egg to the Aussie egg. It was $750, but I don't have the much money, so we're gonna try getting money by parties or something, or trading. So trading, I'm gonna mean like, okay, I'm just gonna try with everything with trading. So okay, there's someone. I'm gonna try to trade him. Oh no, he's a kangaroo. Oh my goodness, guys, are you kidding me? Okay, you're not. Okay, guys, I'm just excited for this Aussie egg. We're just gonna find anything. I don't care what we're gonna find, but yeah. So, I'm poor, give me free. I don't know what she's saying. Okay, I'm just gonna accept her, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna give her my rat, and what is she gonna give me? So, oh mine. She's giving me this. Oh no, seriously, guys, she's giving me the big. Seriously, okay. Please give me free pet. Okay, I'm just gonna trade her. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna trade her a dog because this is so common. And as you know, so she's not trading me anything. I know they're going to decline the trade because I don't give her anything. So we're gonna check out our rats. So everyone's gonna see. Oh wow, she has a rat. I only make these, and I'm gonna write to them something. I can trade this rat and trade me fly or ride pet. Wait. Please! Okay. I can trade this. Oh my, I'm getting silly. What the heck? I didn't even write this thing good, but I don't care. So, this girl looks like a dinosaur I can see or something. Okay, guys, so, now I bite her. You saw the poor girl that we saw. We're gonna what? I don't remember. We're gonna give her this ice cream because she's poor, as you know. But I know she's lying, of course. Duh. So we're just gonna give her this. We're gonna see what she's gonna give us. I know she's not gonna give us anything, but we're just gonna give her this because just the ice cream was $1, and I had 70. I had 85, you remember? I don't know, but it was a 50 trading pets for my Robux. Oh, she's lying. We can't even. You're gonna get scammed. Oh my! She has a neon rideable horse. Horse? What the heck? I'm gonna see anybody. Where is she even? I don't know. I know she's got golden rat. She's so lucky. Okay, so she's not here. I know. I'm gonna write. I'm gonna write it. Who is poor? I'm gonna ask who is poor, so I can give her this. I'm just gonna give him my ratty. Oh, wait, I'm gonna give her the donkey. I don't care about it. Like, hey, no. Okay, he's not gonna give us, but I ate the ice cream. What? I didn't even want to do it. Trading a ride pink cat. Is she even trying to trade off this? This is rare and this is rare. Okay, I am excited because I have a biscuit in my hand. I'm not excited for the biscuit. Okay, let's just eat. 1, 2. Yummy. Okay. Please. Please. No. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show you the secret place here. Like every single man or girl in Adopt Me doesn't even enter this. So we have here the new pets like the panda. Panda's not new. And we have the griffin, not new, and sloth is a little bit new, and horse. Horse is super new. I can't even unlock it. Oh my god, he's so ugly. Who's so ugly? Okay, so he looks not ugly. He looks so amazing, and the one who has it is lucky, not ugly. What do we need with ugly? It's not your business, ugly word. Hey, you. Okay, so now we're gonna see what we have so we can buy. But it's with Robux. Dun dun. Maybe I'm gonna get Robux and I'm gonna get it, so that's gonna be good. Okay, so now disgusting shoe. Oh mine. So just get out and you can see everything by yourself in here. But they say that there's something secretly after this. There's a secret thing after this house. Because one time they got here and last time I played Roblox and just dreamed. I dreamed this and I said, oh, I can't, I climbed it. I climbed it to the top and you see these here, I'm going to show you. These, you saw them. These, I got them. And when I got inside them, they gave me, do you want this unicorn, ride able, fly able, neon galaxy unicorn? I told them, oh, okay, I want it. Then they gave me, but someone scammed me. That's why I didn't play Roblox and didn't let me. So I'm supposed to have it, but I don't. So I don't know why, but I just wanted to see. Okay, I'm just gonna get my veggie if I have anyone. Okay. Can't spawn a veggie. Vegetable goes. Wait, what? Okay. Let's just get out and we can play the ball. Okay, guys, look. She's gonna give me this chocolate lard board, and I'm accepting it. Please accept it. No. No. Please. Give me my referral. My wolf, maybe? No, she do have a wolf. I'm gonna give her my referral. Oh. Bird. Oh, seriously. OMG. Oh, mine. She's accept. Oh, mine. Oh, guys. This is incredible. Oh my gosh, I got this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let anybody trade me ride or fly. Wait, I'm just gonna ride and I'm gonna come back. Guys, I noticed that I was not recording and he was gonna give me, I was gonna trade him the Robin, and if you know, I got this Robin and I traded my buffalo and I traded something, I don't know what. But I don't care. So just my Robin is amazing, yeah. No, I don't want to. I'm gonna ride him. Come on, I can't hear anything. She's lucky. No, I want to trade you my Robin. Seriously, wait. Okay, guys, I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And before to say bye, I'm just gonna show you something how the Robin sits in here. Ta-da! Okay, so really now. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Bye.